For centuries, people around the globe have reported hearing mysterious sounds emanating from the sky, bizarre, resonant booms that appear to come from nowhere, leaving many perplexed and in awe. Are these eerie noises a curious, natural phenomenon or a scientific enigma? In recent years, researchers have labeled these sounds, known as skyquakes, and proposed several intriguing theories. Some attribute them to shifting tectonic plates, underwater volcanic activity, or even meteorological events like thunder, far removed from storm clouds. But not all explanations are purely scientific. Some suggest atmospheric phenomena include auroras or changes in the Earth's magnetosphere. As technology advances, scientists continue to monitor and decode these occurrences, striving to demystify nature's own acoustic mysteries. While the skies hold their secrets tight, we are encouraged to listen and delve deeper into these awe-inspiring enigmas.